कम बैक सॉरी। मैं इससे पहले मैंने नहीं देखा, बट मैं इसकी कोर्स की आउटलाइन देख रहा था. सो वी आर बेसिकली इन रिस्पॉन्सिव वेब डिज़ाइन राइट नाउ, एंड वी हैव डन basic HTML, basic CSS, applied visual design. Okay, now we have applied accessibility and responsive web design principle, CSS Flexbox, CSS Grid, responsive web design projects, and the certification. So I just realized there is a lot to do, and our pace is slow, so I will be moving fast from now on. So yeah, let's get started. Edit text alternate to images for yes, हम हैं अभी applied accessibility में, तो इसमें हम कवर करेंगे चीज़ों को इंशाल्लाह. Applied accessibility different type of users, for example ये visually impaired जो लोग हैं उनके लिए तो images किस तरह से उनको बताया जा सकता है कि इमेज के अंदर क्या कंटेंट है वगैरह वगैरह, इस तरह की चीज़ें. ठीक है, तो इमेज के अंदर हम सोर्स देते हैं, ऑल्ट के अंदर हम उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बताते हैं कि इस इमेज के अंदर क्या है. दैट इज़ बेसिकली ऑल अबाउट दिस सेक्शन. ओके, तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर हमने ऑल्ट की वैल्यू देनी है कि इसके अंदर क्या है. ठीक है, इसके अंदर क्या है जी, बताएं हमें. Happens to be both a coding ninja and an actual ninja who is building a website to share this knowledge. Shows his add an alt attribute and explain this image source does not link to an actual file. So you should see the alt text in the display. That explains this one. Okay, now अगर इमेज नहीं है तो यहाँ पे इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन आ जाएगी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. थोड़ी स्पीड ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी इसलिए. नो व्हेन ऑल टेक्स्ट शुड बी लेफ्ट ब्लैंक. इंटरेस्टिंग. तो हमें इसको ब्लैंक कब छोड़ना चाहिए. इन द लास्ट चैलेंज हमने ये पढ़ा था, हाउ समटाइम्स इमेजेस आर ग्रुप्ड विद अ कैप्शन ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइबिंग देम और आर यूज्ड फॉर डेकोरेशन ओनली. इन दिस ऑल टेक्स्ट मे सीम रिडंडेंट और अननेसेसरी. ठीक है, बट ऐसा कब होता है. इमेजेस आर ग्रुप विद अ कैप्शन, ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइबिंग देम or are used for decoration only. In these, when an image is already explained with text or does not adding meaning to page, the image still needs an alt attribute but set empty string. Here is an example. Usually fall under the decorative labels as well. However, they are typically applied with CSS rules. On image with caption, you may still want to include alt text, since it helps search engines catalog the image's content. ठीक है. Has coded a skeleton page for the blog of his website. He's planning to add a visual break between his two articles with the decorative images of samurai sword or then set it to an empty string. Don't worry that there is no sword showing in the display. So sometimes हमें ज़रूरत नहीं होती. Let me see this. What happens? ओके, अगर हमने ऑल्ट दे दिया तो अगर इमेज नहीं है तो वो ब्रेक नहीं होगा. चलो, ये भी अच्छा है. यूज हेडिंग्स टू शो हायरार्किकल रिलेशनशिप्स ऑफ कंटेंट. ठीक है, H1 and H6 आर वर्क और स्टाइल्स दैट हेल्प प्रोवाइड द स्ट्रक्चर एंड लेबलिंग टू योर कंटेंट. स्क्रीन रीडर्स कैन बी set to read only the headings on a page so that users gets a summary. This means it is important for the headings tag to mark up semantic, not be picked merely. Semantic meaning means that the tag you are around. Content indicates the type of information it contains. Conclusion: it would not make much sense to put the conclusion as a subsection of the body in your outline. It should be its own section. Similarly, the heading tag in a web page need to go in order and indicate the hierarchical relationships of your content. Headings with equal or higher rank start new implied section. Headings with lower rank start subsections of the previous one. A page with an H2 element followed by several subsections labeled with H4 tags would confuse a screen reader user. With 6 choices, it's tempting to use a tag because it looks better in a browser, but you can also use it at the relative sizing. One final point, each page should always have one and only one H1 element, which is the main subject of your content. Each page should have always one H1 element. This and the other headings are used to part by search engines to understand the topic of the page. तो ये टैग्स यूज़ होते हैं फॉर सेमांटिक पर्पसेस. H1 जो है वो एक टैग होना चाहिए, तो हमने ये पढ़ा. Wants a page on its site dedicated to becoming a ninja. Help him fix the heading so his markup and shows the proper parent. Change the H5 tag to the proper heading level to indicate they are subsections of the H2 ones. Use H3 tag for the purpose. Dedicated to becoming a ninja. Help him fix the heading so his markup gives semantic meaning to the context and shows the proper parent-child relation of his sections. Change all the H5 tags to proper heading level to indicate they are subsections of H2. ओके, हम यहाँ पे H3 यूज़ करना है. H3 यूज़ करना है. H2 को नहीं छेड़ना, H3 यूज़ करना है. ओके, नाइस. All right. Weapons of the ninja. Jump straight to the content using the main element. HTML5 has introduced several new elements that give developers more options while also incorporating accessibility features. These tags include main, header, footer, nav, article and section among others. Okay, HTML5 में आए थे ये. By default, a browser renders these elements similar to the humble div. However, using them where appropriate gives additional meanings to your markup. Okay, the tag name. A browser renders these elements similar to the humble div. However, these appropriate gives additional meaning to your markup. The tag name alone can indicate the type of information it contains, which adds semantic meaning to that content. Assistive technologies can access this information to provide better page summary or navigation options to their users. The main element is used to wrap, you guessed it, the main content, and there should be only one per page. It's meant to surround the information related to central topic. It's not meant to include items that repeat across page like navigation. ठीक है, तो मेन का जो सेक्शन होगा, जो HTML5 का एक टैग है मेन के नाम से, उसमें मेन कंटेंट आएगा पेज का. The main tag also has an embedded landmark feature that assistive technology can use to navigate to the main content quickly. If you are ever seen and jump to main content link at the top of a page using the main tag, assistive devices that functionality. The Ninja weapons page helped him set up his markup by adding opening and closing main tags between header and footer. Covered in other. Keep the main tags empty for now. In the article element. Article is a sectioning element and is used to wrap in independent self-contained content. The tag works well with blog entries and new articles. Okay, so article is used for articles. That is simple. Determining whether content can stand alone is usually a judgment call. Ask yourself, if you removed all surrounding context, would that content still make sense? Similarly, for text would be content hold up if there is an RSS feed. ठीक है, अगर तो वो सेंस बनाता है तो दैट मीन्स कि वो आर्टिकल में आ सकता है. Remember that folks using assistive technologies rely on organized, semantically meaningful markup to better understand your work. The section element is also new with HTML5 and has a slightly different semantic meaning than article. An article is for standalone content and section is for grouping thematically related content. They can be used with each other as needed. For example, if a book is the article, then each chapter is a section. When there is no relation between groups of content, then use a div. Alright, div groups content section, groups related content articles, div groups related groups content, section groups related content, groups independent self-contained content. I used article tags to wrap the posts on his blog page, but he forgot to use them around the top one. Change the div tag to use an article tag instead. Article Let's go to next one. Make screen reader navigation easier with the header landmark navigation. Is the header tag. It's used to wrap introductory information or navigation links for its parent tag and works well around contents that's repeated at the top on multiple pages. Header shares the embedded landmark features you saw with main, allowing assistive technologies to quickly navigate to that content. The header is meant for use in the body tag of your HTML document. It is different than the head element, which contains the page. Okay. Introductory information. Okay, head and header is different. Is writing some great articles about ninja training and wants to add a page for them to his site. Change the top div that currently contains the H1 to a header tag. Change the top div that currently. Okay, this should be a header. Alright, so इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता है.